Hey, what's going on, my YouTube family? Jock City Custom Classics, we out in Milwaukee right now, man. Chasing classics, man. At the car show this time. We at PC Car Show in Milwaukee. Shout out to all my people tuning in to me from my old channel. And shout out to y'all if y'all some new viewers, man. What's up? It's your boy. On this channel, we chase cars from different cities, car shows. We look for cars to purchase. And we showcase cars for sale. We showcase cars around our city. So yeah, tap in with the channel, man. Clean 442, OG insides. Y'all know I ain't good with the years of the donks. I have to ask Bam. It's kind of look like his year. Nasty.
About 62. I don't know. You know, I probably did more of my life than you did.
Definitely like these. It's crazy right now. Come on, man. The Bentley on Corleones. Ooh, nasty. Spaceship. Paint in there, and it got some hardware in the back. Super clean in here.
Yeah, 56, you said 56, you said it right, 56.
All right now.
I gotta get my paint dry.
Got that boy sitting on the ground. Like that steering wheel wrapped in white leather.
I'm always at the end, my nigga. Damn, I'm always at the end.
It's a female car. Centurion. Big boats. I respect the boats. OGs love the boats. Whoo, the steering wheel. Gotta have them in there. Nice size lit. Four-door. killing them with these steering wheels, though. Yeah, gotta keep them fire extinguishers in there. When our F-body family just had a tragic accident. I thought this was that car that was all original, that be in Muskegon. Thought he finally threw some shoes on it, but this ain't it.
What truck did you go? I went to the second truck. Maybe you didn't go to the second truck. The white one with the guy's face on it? With the lady in there. She was a girl. A woman did it. A black lady. She gave me my food. Was it a dude on a picture?
Okay, they still riding conventionals. I love to see it.
It's the second.
Man, biggest wheels in the world. Interior crazy. Nice size lid. Had to come back to this Centurion one more time. They got the hood popped this time. Big block action. Man, I like this pulley system. I like that. I like to see stuff like this. A Toyota hooked up. That's different. Big 4Gs. Different. Boy, got some real paint on here. that thing. Suited and booted under there, trailing arms. Ooh-wee. Either that's pretty clean too. Got that old school smell in here. Love that old school smell. I like this van, man. I'm liking these vans more and more. This is a crazy lineup too right here. They all like the same color. Like these swivel seats original. Personal. 26. Nice little lip. Love those shifters. This one clean. Woo! Custom home. Swervo them pulled up, 32 gang in the building. My dog Dan. See baby out here getting that footage. I like this Lexus, man. Woo, this Lexus. My fault, y'all. Aggressive zoom. I like this cat. I like this track off too. I was thinking about getting in CJ on 32's giveaway for a track off. I was thinking about it. That yellow in here, this is crazy. For the baby seat. Like that track car.
It was already built. That ready to clear, we're really tired. Yeah, that motherfucker beat the shit. Can't see that. Oh, yeah.
back tire. Crazy. PC. Got some crazy paint on there. Y'all have to see this in person. I have to get this one real fast because my boy got that Kendrick playing heavy. I'm gonna double back to this one because this one crazy. Definitely outside. They got them backfiring joints out here, man. Sound like gunshots. You know yeah, I know. It's all good. So, I like this right here too. This got some mean paint. You see that paint on here? Females coming through right. And I got that hooked up with the matching bike. Crazy. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute, man. I know y'all hear the copyright in the back. I ain't monetized yet. Y'all help me get there. Come on.
That's gotta be it's either a 26 or a 28, but that motherfucker gotta be about 12.
Sponsors. LS in the Delta.
I'm watching. Keep straight.
Catch Big Lou them coming in, and then I think I'm gonna check out with this video. They just came in. High Rollers Truck Club. Got the GoPro on there. Let the camera run real quick. It's nice out here, man. This is a good, nice parking lot. Big old parking lot. They got stuff everywhere. I think my second video gonna be a little longer. Then I'm gonna catch everybody who leaving. Attacked by a bee right now. Chasing me the whole way. Big forge. Big cat. My YouTube family, my classic car for lovers, my custom car lovers, man. I think I'm gonna check out with this video, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, man. This is my new channel, man. I appreciate everybody who's been holding me down thus far. Make sure you subscribe, try to get me up to that 1,000 subscribers so I can be monetized, just like on my old channel. Yeah, man. So I'm about to tap off with this one, man. It's your boy Jock City. I'm out of here.